Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I'm Rick the Jerk. So this was supposed to be part of next week's video, but it ended up taking a lot longer than I had planned. Ha, big surprise. Oh, more than that, as I was doing an unboxing, my camera moved on me, so it was a lot of, well...
adapter for this 1/4-inch adapter right here. I'd say 36-inch charging cable.
So let's try this again. Hi, I'm Rick the Jerk, and on this channel we're all about random acts of kindness. I do that through repairing things in people's homes for free, or sometimes dirt cheap, like in the case of the Cherry Project here. And as I've mentioned, we recently started getting a lot of brand deal offers for sponsorships and things like that, most of which we turn down, but every once in a while we come across some that make sense to help us in these free jobs that we do for people that would help me in my handyman business, or could benefit my family in some way, even if that's just us getting paid for it. But speaking of all that, this week's video is brought to you by Hozo Design and their NQ2 anti-gravity laser leveling system. And there we go. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what it's got going on. I guess I should add real quick, why are we doing this? If you recall, we've got some shelves to hang in a tricky corner in the Cherry bathroom. Now, initially, I had planned on using this thing for some other projects around here on other jobs, but it took a while to get here after some miscommunications and stuff with shipping. So what we're going to do instead is use it to make sure that the anchors I already have set in the wall are level before I go installing the shelves, because if I install the shelves and they're not level, well, it's going to be a whole mess tearing them out, putting them back in. It's going to be more repairs and more time on the job. So let's jump into this review. It's going to be more of a review than a tutorial, but let's get it unboxed and see what's inside. Now, to get the most out of this thing, you're going to want to whip your phone out once you get it, hop into your favorite app store and download the accompanying app. It's called Measure. That's like measure with a Z instead of an S. Get that, and that's going to connect to one of these devices and help you store some of your data and measurements. Now, I do have an affiliate link in the description, so you guys can get yourselves a discount and get me a couple bucks while you're at it if you're interested. This is going to be the star of our show, the threaded attachment. This comes also with a 5/8 adapter for this as a 1/4-inch. This thing is great for both pros and DIYers alike, I assure you. It comes with all types of quick start guides to show you how the different gadgets work. This is for the M-Cube 00. That's what this unit is. As I said, it's modular. There's all kinds of attachments to go with it. The base is the M-Cube 02. And you get this nice long charging cable, though you're going to need your own cube to charge it. I made sure this was fully charged yesterday. That's why it's already partially unboxed. And, you know, as I said, we shot a video. So, first up, the M-Cube 00. Hold the power button to turn it on. And once it loads up, you've got all these features, like you can get the minimum, maximum distance between something. It uses all kinds of fancy Pythagorean theorem jargon to get you stuff like the distance between 2 points when it's used in conjunction with the base. It's got its own laser measuring device right there, you can see. You can tap on this up here to change between imperial and metric. I'm going to go with inches on mine. And then when you attach it to the base, it becomes a multifunctional operational tool and gizmo. Hold the knob down for 5 seconds. It'll mount to almost any surface, and it will not come off. I'm telling you guys, I'll probably rip the countertop off of this cabinet before it lets go. Hold it for 2 seconds to let go, and it lets go. Now it's got 2 spirit levels here too that are also backlit, so you can calibrate the instrument once you've got it on the wall. When you combine these two things, this allows for hands-free precision leveling, alignment, and measuring of things. Because it will mount on almost any surface, you don't have to worry about damaging or marring whatever you're mounting it to. This is going to be the star of our show today because you can attach a camera, a 360 auto leveling laser if you want. I have one that sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. We're going to use it to be able to see around the corner because these, they only measure on a dot, and they'll kind of go around the corner a little bit, like an inch or two, but they won't give you that full room line like you get with a 360 level. But with this threaded base, you can combine it with a 360 level and get your lines that way. So I'm going to go over the rest of the features in the Cherry bathroom. So come on, let's grab everything up. Don't need him. And let's go do that. Real quick before I jump in though, did you know that almost half of you guys come back almost every week to watch but aren't subscribed. So please, 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 if you're enjoying these videos, if you find yourself watching them over and over again and you don't know why, take a second to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We are trying to get bigger and bigger so I can hopefully do this full time and we can help more and more people and do bigger projects for them. The only way that's going to work is if you guys are liking, subscribing, sharing, watching the videos. It costs you nothing, absolutely nothing. It's just a couple clicks of a couple buttons and it will help us tremendously. And we are so grateful for those of you that keep coming back. Thank you so much. We could not do this without you guys. Also, don't forget, if you want to support the channel further, we have all kinds of links in the description. You can become a member of the channel. You get access to hours upon hours upon hours upon hours of dumb bonus content. Plus you get early access to videos, special member only lives, and all of our means of financial support are down there, as well as our website. If you want to see any of my woodworking stuff I do with Jig Job Woodcraft, or you want to get some of our merch, you can hop in the www.rickthejerk.com and get in our store and buy some stuff there. But let's get back into the laser. Now, as I said, there are more modules, features, and attachments to explore, but with the M200 and the 02 Cube base combined, they allow for hands-free precision alignment, measuring, and leveling. Use your little spirit level on there to help calibrate it, which are backlit, mind you. So even in the dark, you'll be able to see them. And then once you're level, you hit OK on the screen, and boom, you're calibrated, ready to go. Hit the laser button, and you've got lasers. This one here is currently measuring for me the distance to the wall. I can see that it's 44.21 inches to the wall. And one of the best things about this is it will attach to nearly any surface without marring or damaging it. So here we've already got finished painted walls. I can slap this thing right on here and not have to worry about it causing any damage to the work we've already done. In the rare instances that you can't get adequate suction, there is an optional magnetic, I think, base that will attach to metal things, as well as an advanced suction base for your rougher textured surfaces. You may have heard that just now. That's the vacuum going off periodically to ensure that it's not going anywhere. If you get any vibration out of this thing, you just click her a few times and it introduces anti-vibration mode, whatever that means. I'm not getting a lot of vibration, but the little blinking light is how I know it's working. Now the battery on this bad boy right here is good for up to 12 hours of continuous use. So even if you're a workaholic like me, who puts in long days, Hozo's got you covered. Not to mention the foam pad that I showed you guys earlier is removable, washable, and replaceable. So should it ever get dirty, you can clean it up. Should it ever get damaged, you can replace it. You just want to make sure that little metallic circle in the middle there, that's your vacuum pump. You want to make sure to keep that clean and free of debris and particulates.
Don't be getting any particulates on my laser level now, boy.
For me, the best part is the threaded attachment adapter thing that comes with it, and you'll see why here in just a minute. I know I keep saying that, I promise we'll get there. But once again, see, the timeout's gone off. You can change that in the app or on the touchscreen. I'm not gonna mess with it today, but 5 seconds to turn on, 2 seconds to deploy suction, you're on the wall. Without the module, you can rotate the knob for horizontal, vertical, or both, like we said. And this little baby's also got his own laser on it that will measure distance for you from the center. If you want, there's also an optional target plate that sticks on the wall so you know exactly where your center starts to the distance you're trying to measure. And while the M-Cube 00 is attached and you Bluetooth it to your app, I left my phone in the other room, sorry, you can send all of the data that you get right here to your phone for safekeeping or for later use or for your records. Now, the only problem we're having here for today's use, as you can maybe see, let me check, is that she can't quite get around corners in the fashion that we need, but that's where the little attachment I won't shut up about comes in. So let's see what it does. Click, click. Now what I am in need of today is not measuring capabilities or even 360-degree gimbal rotation capabilities. What I'm in need of is 360-degree laser capabilities. Oh look, I just so happen to have a crappy knockoff cheap Amazon one right here. Now here's the catch. This one no longer, it's supposed to be auto leveling, and the leveling features no longer work on this laser. But the leveling features work on this laser that doesn't go around corners, but this laser goes around corners, if it'll work. There we go. Now, that little base I wouldn't shut up about. Look what he do. Oh, now suddenly the auto leveling features want to work. Make a liar out of me. They weren't working before. But now what I can do is aim this. Let's see if I can make it work without beeping at us. Oh my gosh. Why, dude? Well, that was the whole thing now, wasn't it? So I'm going to keep my suddenly now functioning auto laser leveling system level using the Hozo Design M-Cube 2 anti-gravity leveling system. You couldn't have timed that more perfect. Great job, buddy. Thusly, so now I can keep that on the wall. So now I can keep the Hozo Design anti-gravity system on the wall and rotate it ever so slightly, just ever so slightly, to let me know if I'm level or not. I can see those are pretty close. I can ever so carefully, see that those are dead nuts, and ever so carefully. See that those are also dead level, hands-free. Stop beeping at me, you turd burglar. So, is it everything I ever dreamed? No. But is it incredibly handy right now? Yes, because if I need to come over here and do something, like say, get and hang the shelves that are going on this wall and not need to hold on to my laser, I can just leave my laser on the Hozo on the wall there and walk away and everyth's Gucci, as long as it doesn't scream at me. So now that we know that our anchors are level, we can hang the shelves. Thank you, Hozo Design, for sending us your anti-gravity laser leveling system. I cannot think of any other way I would have been able to know if these were level or not in this situation, because this is just under 2 feet, so I can't get a 2-foot level in there. 6-inch level isn't going to be long enough to tell. So there'd be a whole lot of complex math and maneuvers and tools involved, where with this is literally 3 buttons. 3 buttons. Yeah, there was a little bit of screwing around to get it lined up, but as I pointed out earlier, I could almost do that just with the Hozo. So if I'd have been thinking about that while I was fighting with my other laser, I could have got it lined up first and then used it. But you know me, I'm a dingus. So I didn't think of that. But thank you, Hozo Design. On with the video. All right, let's see if we can get some of these brackets up at least today. I don't know if I have adequate screws for the shelves. Those will have to be like 1/2 inchers. I've got some at the house. I don't know if I have any on me. You just found out with me whether or not those were actually going to fit in there. Okay, I'm going to go see if I got some screws that won't go through the shelves. I should have brought my screw box in to show you guys. If you pay attention at all to previous videos, you know that I get really excited when I have the exact number of something that I need. It's just something that tickles the autistic part of my brain, and I had the exact number of screws I need to finish installing these shelves. Oh, yay! I'm a happy Rick. Let me find out they're too long. I should probably check that before I install them. Oh, it's gonna be close. They are the wrong size. The chaos gods giveth, the chaos gods taketh away. That's okay, gang. You win some, you lose some, right? Life doesn't always work out in our favor, and when it does, it's great. And then when it doesn't, sometimes that can really suck for some people. Because we're all going through battles every day, inside our minds and bodies, in ways that others can't see, and for some, in ways that others can't even fathom. Life can be hard for some people. And I don't mean in those ways that it seems like, oh, bad things always seem to happen to that person. I mean, just existing for some of us can be hard some days, even with treatment and medication. But those of you in the Jerk Squad that do deal with these things, you know what? You're still here. So that means that you are winning. And I am proud of you. And if nobody else has told you today, I'm gonna stand right here and be the one to tell you that you're doing a good job. I love you. Bye. Oh, I didn't think of a funny way to end this one either. Screw it!
Good job, Daddy.
Thank you, baby.